Hello finally student of class 9. In previous videos we were discussing the unemployment in which we have seen the classification. Now let's take it one by one. One is your rural unemployment. So rural unemployment is found in rural areas of India and is mostly common in villages and less developed area, that is backward areas. These are of two types, seasonal and disguised unemployment. What is seasonal unemployment? Seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some month of the year. In some month of the year they are employed and some month of the year they are not employed. So this situation is known as seasonal unemployment. For example, people dependent of agriculture usually face such situation. Like when there is a sowing season, ripening season, they get the job, otherwise they don't get the job. So according to season they get the job. This is known as seasonal unemployment. Next is your disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment is another type of employment and is mostly found in rural areas. What is it? It refers to a situation where the number of workers engaged in a job is much more than is actually required to do the job. For example, if 4 person can do any job and there are 10 workers are doing that job, so 6 are not required at that time. So 10 are working, they seems to be working, but only 4 are required. So 6 are, they seems to be working, but actually they are not working. So because this is not, you cannot see it in a very tangible manner. So this is why it is known as disguised unemployment. This occurs, but you need to understand it very minute in detail, that where it is found. That is your disguised unemployment. So this is rural unemployment. There are two types: seasonal, disguised. Next is your urban employment. This type of unemployment is found in cities and urban areas. So this can also be divided into two types: educated and industrial employment. Educated employment means, educated employment refers to employment among the educated people, which includes matriculate, higher education, those who are higher educated. So they are not finding the jobs according to their degrees. So these are known as educated unemployment. Industrial unemployment means it refers to the unemployment among the illiterate who wish to work in industry, those who want to work in industry and they have the efficiency to do the work, but still they are not getting the job in the industry. So they are known as industrial unemployed. So I think you've got it. Now next is your, what is the causes of unemployment? What are those causes? So following are the causes in India of unemployment causes. Number one, rapid growth of population. That number one reason. Number two, over dependency on agriculture. This is your second reason. Number three, underdevelopment of industry. We haven't developed the industry. That's why jobs have not created. Underdevelopment of cottages and small scale industries. So these are not developed or fully developed, so people are not employed there. Faulty education system in India. We give the education system like that, people are not employable. So there is a fault in the education. Lack of political will of government, means government has not done enough to create more jobs. So these are the causes of unemployment. Next is your, what are the consequences of unemployment? What is the condition that if it persists the unemployment, what can it happen? So it has a grave social and economic problem. Number one, first, society is deprived of the goods and services that the unemployment people could have been produced. So his talent is wasted. Number one is the one consequence. Number two, loss of weekdays due to unemployment permanent, as the same not available to be used in the future. Labor once lost is lost forever. So loss of labor days is lost. Third, unemployment is responsible for the wastage of productive resources. This is also thing. Unemployment trends to increase economic overload. These are all the consequences of unemployment. In next video we will discuss more about it.